Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. Just thought I'd quickly show you this plant. I've been meaning to film it for a couple of weeks. It's Prunus Glandulosa Alboplena. Elbow meaning white, plena meaning double, and that's describing the flower. So it's a double white flower, really soft and frilly flower to this. Been blooming a few weeks now, so they're starting to go, some of the blooms on here, but it's almost like a double sort of ruffled white confetti. This, a lot of people buy these in the pink form, but I think this white is really underrated. I really like it. It'll form a shrub 1.2 to 1.5 meters tall generally in your garden, perfect for your mixed beds and borders. It will get bigger if you let it, but generally just give it a little haircut after it's flowered and you can keep a nice compact shrub here. It's like a miniature cherry blossom really, and you've got the light green flower foliage in the summertime, nice structural bush there, and then this is where it's really grown for, these flowers in the springtime. Really nice, beautiful plant. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.